हारा दाव बचा लेने को पति को परमेश्वर माना। ये परमेश्वर शब्द भी पुरुष के बनाए हुए हैं।
It's a love letter to India. It's a love letter to my country, which is uncomfortable with my empowerment, but it's a love letter nevertheless.
The issue is really serious, and the entire country is talking about it. We have been getting threat mails from last so many.
Negative भी छापा मुझे कोई problem नहीं है.
Hi everyone, this is Silesh Ram, AsianCultureVulture.com. I'm joined by Sona Mahapadra, the singer who you may have heard something about, but there's a new documentary about her called Shut Up, Sona. It's showing at the London Indian Film Festival. How are you doing, Sona?
Happy, to be talking to you, but also slightly sad that I won't be there for the 19th screening because it's in a theatre.
I know.
And now I value the fact that we can actually have a theatre screening after 6 months of everything being shut here. Because in India, no theatres are yet open. So
Not yet. Yeah, so we're very privileged to have theatres open and people to go back and have the big screen experience, as it were.
Yes.
So, Sona, tell us a little bit about how the documentary came about.
So 3.5 years ago, I think I was going through a patch in my journey as a mainstream artist and a performer and a singer,
Right.
where I felt the doors were shutting down on me because the way I saw it at that time is because of the kind of outspoken woman I was and the fact
Right.
that I wanted to get equal lines in a song when it comes to Bollywood. I didn't want to be objectified or, play up to the whole routine of sucking up to people for that one chance. I was feeling kind of frustrated with the limited opportunities and the kind of opportunities I was getting in Mumbai. And I reached out to Deepti, who is a dear friend of mine, one of India's best cinematographers, very unique way of shooting India, but I believe, never gotten her due.
Right.
And she'd never made a film. And I got after her saying, you're not just a cinematographer, you are one of the brightest people I've known for a decade and a half.
Right.
Why don't we get together? And we shared a certain resonance in the kind of,
Sure.
the opportunities that were not coming our way. And
Yes,
we
absolutely.
got it down to similar reasons. And
Right.
I was like, let's team up together. Why don't we make a film?
Clearly bullying. Remove it from the public domain, otherwise.
Deepti, in her wisdom, realized that most of the time I'm being asked to shut up.
Yes.
And even by well-wishers, my
Really?
well-wishers, including women who are in positions of power here, like to give me this well-wisher advice that
Right.
"Tu itna baat kyun karti hai? Why do you stand up for things? Why are you protesting about anything? You've got it good. You're a pop star. You
Yeah.
travel so well. You should enjoy your spoils. Why do you care about whether other women will, get those chances or not? And
Right.
why do you want to poke your nose into calling out things and trying to make things fairer?
You conservative bunch
you-
of fools.
No, you're trying
decide
to make
what I
out
should
of issue
wear.
of nothing.
How
It
do
is
you
a
want
point
to-
of-
I was a very good student. I was a topper, so I was expected to follow a very academic route
Yeah.
coming from a middle class Indian family.
Yeah.
Doctor bano ya engineer. Those were the two
Yeah,
options
I
if you are
Yeah.
a good student.
Yeah.
But music is something I always parallelly pursued. I was always singing I had a band. I used to do a
Yeah.
lot of things.
Right.
But in India, that's not a legit option in certain families where you can go and make your
Of
living
course,
or live
yeah,
a uncompromised artist life,
Sure.
But I kept the music going because I cut my demo, and any chance I got in the weekends to perform or record, I would do that.
What would you say was your breakthrough then?
Well, I had this whole notion, vanity or whatever you might call it, that I don't want my break to come from a film song, which is what everybody pursues here.
Of course,
you know?
yes.
And all the offers I got, I realized because I have this bass voice and a throaty voice, I would get pigeonholed into, singing item songs. Nothing against it, but I know there's no graduation from there.
Yeah.
So I was like, I will somehow save up, make my own album,
Oh, wow.
which showcases my love for the kind of styles I love and the fact that I can do a ballad. One of my biggest hits, in fact, is a song called Abhi Nahi Aana.
Abhi nahi aana.
Abhi Nahi Aana is a slow romantic ballad which nobody would ever give me in a film.
Yeah.
But that became the biggest song of that album, and
Right.
only I could have given myself that opportunity because I knew that I could sing all kinds of songs, but a film would never cast me in that way.
Now you've been talking a lot about that ecosystem and what needs to happen in India. What do you think are the? I know it's a big subject, but sort of in a kind of a nutshell, what do you think needs to change, and is it changing?
No, I think right now we are in the worst phase of the music industry. Probably we are on our way to hitting rock bottom, if I may say so, from one perspective.
I see.
Because when it comes to mainstream music,
Yeah.
which has largely been dominated by film music,
Right.
which uses music to sell its films.
Yeah.
So it's what gets the bums on the seats. But the two, it's been very monopolistic with the couple of labels that are there.
Right.
They have been on a mission to probably wipe out composers and songwriters.
Right.
All they are doing is regurgitating old songs. They feel they have a catalog. They
Yeah.
don't need to spend money creating anything new.
Of course.
They don't have a vision for the pipeline and for the future. They just
Yeah.
want to make money. They're businessmen.
That's it. Yeah.
And film producers are no more the progressive writers and the Bimal Roys and the Goldie Anands that we started with,
Yes. Yeah.
who had this need to make a cultural impact, to change the social order. Right now, we have businessmen at the helm, except for some exceptions like, say, a Sanjay Leela Bhansali,
Right.
who still makes a cultural event out of his
Yeah.
songs,
Indeed. Yeah.
and his
Yeah.
music or his films. The rest of them are wanting to put together this bouquet from here and there. Some Punjabi artists have made a hit song.
Yeah.
Let's dump it here.
Right.
So it's not about what film music was earlier. It's not about music taking the narrative forward. It's just a bunch of jingles they want to put together. And it's at the worst phase because the composers and the songwriters are, I think, really going through the most despairful or depressive period.
Okay.
We can hope for change, or somewhere I see it as an opportunity, saying that why should we be a subset of the film industry?
Yeah. Yeah.
Such a big country, such a big diaspora.
Yeah.
We should be able to fuel our own music industry.
Sure.
And that we don't have a music industry is the starting point. We need to have that. During the pandemic, I put out 9 releases.
Yeah.
It
right.
might not have the kind of money fueling it to say 200 million views, 100 million views,
Yeah.
which now we've discovered are a lot of paid
Yes.
numbers.
Yeah.
And all the money is going to pay those views and building a perception that you are so successful instead of paying the creators of music.
Yeah.
So the songwriters and the composers, you don't want to pay, but you want to pay for the number of views and followers.
Which is ridiculous.
And it's been a terrible cycle, but
Sure.
I think there are a bunch of us who are trying to come together in a sense, create a change in the scene, and I'm hoping that the audience also wisens up. And
Yeah.
right now they're talking this huge debate, nepotism, Sushant Singh Rajput, the industry is all
Yeah.
terrible.
Yeah.
I hope something good comes out of it. I really hope the
Right.
audience themselves grows a brain to say that let's seek out good music, whether or not
Yeah.
it's from a film. UK has a very strong Indian diaspora.
Yeah.
Why do they keep hosting +1 artists who come and lip sync? There are a lot of, and I keep hearing of the Punjabi tours that happen. I'm like, not one of them actually sings. In a sense, I'm inviting myself to UK, saying, call me, I
Oh,
shall
come,
enthrall.
come, yeah.
India Mumbai police, they claim that the video is vulgar, will flare communal tensions, and I need to know whom to write in my response to at your end.
I think I've been practicing all my life. I stood for elections in my college where I was stabbed for being a woman and wanting to be a leader. The new batches that came into my college revered me, thought I was a legend who stood up to that rubbish. And I got that adulation. So vainly, I have always, in a sense, I've always been rewarded for being the person I am.
People like Kabir, people like Khusro. Well, artists who go beyond just entertainment are my kind of artists.
Just few years before the Me Too movement, in fact, I had called out Salman Khan, who is a serial offender when it comes to making the most misogynistic statements and doing rubbish. So he's normalized a lot of horrible behavior when it comes to the man-woman equation, because these are the superstars that influence our youth. And
Yes.
I one day woke up when he, for the nth time, said something really ridiculous in a press conference. I said, is he our superstar after doing this time and again? And what kind of country are we that we don't call this rubbish out,
Right. Yeah.
And that led to such bad trolling that I had to go to a police station because I was morphed onto porn sites. There were feces boxes sent to my studio. My parents used to get called up and threatened. I used to get acid attack threats. I got a death threat. It was like, and I travel all the time as a performing artist. So my family was very worried. Yet, despite, I literally aged in those 3 months of trolling. At the end of it, the Minister for Women and Child's Welfare took a note of the fact that because of this case and the way it's playing out, we must put in measures in place for women's safety online, and they took note. And I saw that, that acknowledgement made me feel it was all worth it. Then when Me Too happened, I was like, for years, so many of us, all of us are aware of the systemic, institutionalized misogyny that exists and the sexism that exists in the industry. And the music industry is even worse than the film industry in terms of being a boys' club. You know, it's not about somebody going to jail like Weinstein, or, you know, everybody thinks it failed in India. But now music, film production houses, web series production houses, TV production houses have a system of redressal in place. You can escalate. You know, there's a form given out with numbers and contact numbers saying that even if you're a makeup artist, you're an AD, because it's not just the actors who face this. You can write into this person to highlight some inappropriate behavior. I think it goes towards a safer work environment. I mean, what more can I ask for?
Absolutely. So why should people watch the documentary Shut Up Sona?
Being the protagonist, I cannot tell you that I had no message to give. I was just being myself. I think it's a very universal story. It's about women taking charge of their narratives and saying, we won't sit here like victims waiting for other people to. So I produced a film saying that I want to sing. I want to tell you how incredible my life is.
Yes.
I'm going to do it. Nobody else is going to do it for me.
The mother is to be in tears because she thought it was a reflection of the fact that not only has she gone and popped 3 daughters, on top of that, ye to pagal hai bacha.
There's a lot of love, a lot of music. And yes, it also highlights the fact that India is changing.
Right.
And there's a lot of deep-rooted conditioning which makes us behave a certain way. And the best of people, men and women, who like to think they're not biased, they're the good people. I mean, I think I've been told that it makes you self-reflect on a lot of your behavior.
Who want to leave behind a better place than before they started.